Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Metahero, also known as the Hero coin, on your Metamask. So simply scroll down till you get to the about of the token, where you can easily copy its contract address from here. So click on this and copy. Minimize, open up your Metamask, and once your Metamask has opened up, your next step would be to simply click on Smart Chain up here and select the Smart Chain network. Once that's done, click on Import Tokens, tap on Custom Token, paste the contract address you just copied once more, paste it here, and the token symbol and its decimal would then be listed automatically. And then you simply click on Import, and by simply clicking on Import, the Hero token would then be made available to you on MetaMask. So now you might be wondering how you're going to get this token. So your next step would then be to simply close this, minimize, and open up Binance. And once Binance is opened up, if you do not possess an account, by simply using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to get up to 100 USDT trading fee rebates just by using our link to register and open an account. So once you've opened up Binance, all you need to do now is simply make sure you've got cryptocurrency assets on your Binance by either simply clicking on this deposit here and using the P2P trading method to get BNB. You buy with your Master or your Visa card. You deposit some of your local currencies on the app. Another method to get BNB is by using this convert here and simply converting some of your USDT into BNB. So click on this BNB here, and we're going to be using our BUSD. So 10 BUSD for BNB. Click on preview and convert. So now we've got 0.039 BNB, and now we can simply withdraw this BNB back to our MetaMask by simply using the wallet icon here, scrolling over to spots, click on this spot here, and simply click on BNB and simply click on withdraw. Click on BNB, click on send via crypto network, and in the space provided, you simply put in your MetaMask wallet address. So once you've been able to get your BNB to your MetaMask, your BNB would be here. We're going to be using this BNB for gas fees. And as such, all you need to do is simply head over to your browser and open up the PancakeSwap.finance. And once PancakeSwap.finance opens up, in the place of this moon coin, you simply paste the contract address for the Metahero. So paste it here and simply select Metahero. And once you've selected Metahero, simply click on 50%. I'm going to be using half of my BUSD, and I'm going to be converting, and I'm going to be increasing my slippage tolerance up to 5.0%. So you simply click on enable BUSD, click on approve. And now we wait for confirmation. And once the confirmation is done, all we need to do is simply click on this swap here and swap our BUSD into the Hero coin. So click on swap. A smart contract call pulls in. You simply click on confirm. And boom, it says here add Hero to wallet. You can do that, but don't forget we already added the Hero token to the wallet, but you can still add. So click on add Hero to wallet and simply head over to your wallet again. Click on this. And now we've got $1 worth of the Hero token on our MetaMask. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can buy Metahero on MetaMask, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.